Welcome everyone, I am Anku. This is our group project on library management. Our group has 6 members including me. They are Anjali Bhattrai, Kelina Shahi, Miraj Shrestha, Prasunna Bosnet and Sneha Khatri. So our topic is library management, which is mainly used in educational institutions. This system makes it easy to keep records of books and the issued books and other details of the books. We have prepared this system in DFC. So let's look through the coding and its execution. This is our code. Talking about the main section of our code, the first is the linking section to link all our standard function and string handling functions. In our code, we have globally declared all the variables. We have taken up two structures, one for storing book information and another for login information. And then we have declared all the functions prototypes in our code according to the system which we need in our library management. And then going to the main function section, we have just shown head message and welcome message. For security purpose, we kept username and password. After entering the correct username and password, our function shows main menu, which is created by the switch case. Our main menu consists of add book information, display book, delete book records, search, modify and update login information, and then at last the exit case. These are the different cases which we will be doing in our program. Then going through the different functions we will be using in our code. The first is to add book, to add the details of the book. This is the coding required in this function. And then for displaying the details of the book, we have used another function, this book, which will be just displaying the details of the book stored in our files. And then to delete the information of the books, we have used another function, delete book. This is the function for the delete book. And then for searching of the book records, we have used another function, search. This is the code for the search. And then the modification of book details is done by another function, modify function, which will be modifying the records, and we have to enter new records inside. And then at last, for updating the username and password or to change it, we have used another function, update. And this is how our code is written. And now I'll show you the execution of our code. So this is the execution of our coding. We have the main menu where we can add book information, display book information, delete and search specified books, modify it or update the login information. So for going through the first choice, we can here enter the details of the book which is issued to the mainly to the students. So we will enter the name of the book, author's name, the accession number, category, and the student's name, student's roll number, and the issuing date of the book. And this way our data gets stored in the program. In the second choice, we can display the book information, and we can see that the whole data is stored in this choice. And this is the data which I have just entered in the first choice, and there are no other records than that, so no records available. Then we can delete book records in the choice 3. So enter the we can delete by entering the accession number, for example 2. So the data is deleted, and if we want to check, we can check through the choice 2. Only one record is there, the other record is deleted. In the same way, if we want to search for some specified book, we can select the choice number 4. It again gives 3 choices through which we want to search the book. So I'm searching the book from the session code. A session code. For again we have for the session code, or we have to select capital C or small letter C. So this is how we can get session number 1, and the data is displayed to of the book. Again we can now we can update login information, and here we can change the username and password. So BC8079 chemical, and the username and password gets changed successfully. Again we have to log in. So BC8079 with the new username.